My name is Thomas Winter, and my position at BioDot is Manager of Sales for Life Science Discovery and OEM Partner Business. A wide range of labs will benefit from working with BioDot, anywhere from academic research, government labs, to startup biopharmaceutical labs, as well as large-scale biopharma as well too. Low-volume PCR is an excellent example of how BioDot delivers value. So PCR researchers are frequently working within total reaction volumes in the 10, 20 microliter range or sometimes more. We're able to miniaturize those reactions down to the half microliter range or less. And what that enables them to do with their master mix is use far, far less, and that saves them tremendous amounts of money on their reagents budget. For getting your instrument up and running perfectly to spec, to optimizing your assays and your application workflows, we have resources to support our customers until their application is running exactly the way they want on our instrumentation.